Recently, while we were under stress, while we were distressed, we called, we cried, and you came to our rescue. I am Jean Brown.
My name is Chef Camus.
Carl Francis.
My name is Suan.
This is Tucker.
I'm Alvarine Campbell.
I'm Jermaine.
I'm Charlene Johnson.
On behalf of the kitchen team, coming from the stores team,
The maintenance crew.
All the staff here at Travelers.
We just want to pause today to say thank you for all that you did. All the individuals who contributed to the GoFundMe.
For your help and your support.
I really appreciate it.
The community really appreciates it. Thank you.
It was well received and it gave us a lot of strength during the time.
It meant the world to us. Thank you.
Very thankful for that.
Many thanks. We just want to ask the Lord to continue to provide for you, bless and keep you.
We are exceptionally grateful.
We love and appreciate you.
And we are so thankful.
Thank you. Big up.